I'm Suzy, owner of Artwork by Suzy. I became a fluid artist 4 years ago when I saw it at Hobby Lobby, and I thought that would be something intriguing. I've done a lot of art throughout my life in various media. I've been an artist since I was 3. I just recently became a full-time professional artist. I've been recording all of my video pours for the last 4 years, and so I'm going to make it a goal to post one of those old ones each week, and I'm going to try to make a new one each week. I learned a lot about doing fluid art from watching YouTube. My favorite artists are Olga Sobey, Molly of Molly's Artistry, J-Mo, Kathleen Miller, and there's the Left Brain Artist and several others. My goal here is to teach you some of the things I've already learned and to learn with you, have you learn with me as we go through this journey together.
Action.
Hi, I'm Suzy, owner of Artwork by Suzy. We're going to have a lot of blooper tapes.
That's good. Okay, from the top, ready?
Okay.
Action.
Hi, I'm Suzy, owner of Artwork by Suzy. No, I'm really going blank now. Okay.
Hold it up and hold it up to the side.
To the side.
You can lift it up
Like
high.
here?
Now try the other side. No, that's not going to work.
I plan to do an acrylic pour of a supernova and a black hole on the floor of my study very soon. I made a 30 by 40 inch painting of the way I want the supernova to look, as you're seeing here, and I made a smaller painting of the black hole that I intend to repeat on the floor. I hope to make 2 to 3 live broadcasts on YouTube, since it will have to be poured in 3 stages. So watch for that announcement, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel.